The iCreate project this year has been amazing. It's been phenomenal being both a shadower and a performer this year. Being a shadower this year has been really, really nice for me. I've been able to shadow another artist's work, and through that, I was able to learn about transitions and about how activities and tasks can be used to get my movements that I want. Being a performer this year, has been amazing. I've been challenged and pushed, by each of the choreographers that I've worked with. I look forward to showing them the work that I've achieved this year. People should come and watch the iCreate show, because it's an experience, that you probably could only get with the iCreate project. It's full of individual choreographers and individuality, that we will only get from this performance.